Hey, Oscar is a whole little scar how to boy or could mean a gas cover.
Boy, I just want
Hi guys, and welcome to another video. My name is Adriana from the beautiful mountain kingdom of Lesotho, and today I'm on one of the mountains close to my home. I'm currently designing my food forest, and I have been coming here to observe some of the medicinal plants that are native to our land, to understand how they interact with nature, and hopefully I can incorporate some of them into my food forest. So the last time I was here, I went into an ancient cave to see if the Bushman paintings are still there, and I'll cover that in another video. But in those caves, I came across an amazing discovery, and that has brought me back today. So join us on this exciting expedition. Rocks and cliffs are home to rock hyraxes, also known as dassies, and they have a rather strange behavior of using communal latrines. So they basically poo and pee on the same spot, and their urine has been used for medicinal purposes for ages in Africa, and that's why the guys are interested in it. But I'm looking to use it as an organic fertilizer. And the first time we came here, I was really surprised by the spot they picked for this latrine. It's quite dangerous to get up there, and at first the guys wouldn't let me go up, but I was so curious, so I put up a fight and ended up climbing. And the next surprise was how incredibly hard this stuff is. Guys, it's near impossible to chip into it.
Oh, you're so crispy. Yeah, ham. It's going into the rock instead of chipping out the stuff.
Hyrax, one mistake,
I get down.
you're in for the high jump. Hey, Oscar is a whole little scar how to boy or could mean a gas cover.
Boy, I just want to
So what enables such small animals to climb up so high, and why is their urine so hard? Well, they have rubber-like feet and paws, which makes climbing up trees and rocky surfaces fairly easy. And their urine is hard because it has a rather thick and sticky consistency to it, and it dries up rather quickly. So as they pee and poo on the same spot over and over again, the urine fossilizes over time and turns into these incredibly hard crystals. Guys, it's so hard that it's bending our tools when trying to chip it out, and the best way we discovered is just to rather chip into the sandstone. Wow, how amazing, right? Just let me know what you think about this down in the comment section, because I have never seen something like this. It's heavy, so heavy. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Who knew piss would be this heavy? Once we have enough, it's time to head back home, and climbing down is much easier for the guys, as you can see, and climbing up for me was very easy, but climbing down is something else. Just look at how easily the guys are coming down. And at this point I'm just thinking, man, what was I thinking going up there? Because I really struggled to get down, but eventually, by the grace of God, I was able to get down. I mean, look at that. One wrong move, one slip, and you could make a very fatal fall down those rocks. It was really hard getting down, you guys. So once I'm down, we start to pack up because we gotta get out of here as soon as possible before it gets dark and too cold. We are a long ways from home, so we gotta get going. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please help me reach 1,000 subscribers by subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell too, so that you will be notified every time I upload. And from the Mountain Kingdom of Lesotho to you guys, it's goodbye for now. I'll see you guys in the next video.